Okay, welcome back guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to accept multiple inputs in Python. So I'm gonna open command prompt, so just type cmd and I'm gonna say Python here. So I'm in the Python console. So as you know guys, we accept inputs like x, which is equal to input enter x, like this, right? So what if we want to accept multiple inputs like x, y, z, 2 or more? So what we do basically is x comma y comma z, which is equal to input, and then enter, let's say 3 numbers, and I'm gonna close that. So dot split, we should have to say split to accept those 3 input values. So if I select this and 4, 5, 9, then if I print x comma y comma z, we would get 4, 5 and 9. This is what I have for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.